Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Brandeis School, home of the Bears, here in Louisville, Kentucky. And really great day getting to talk to the kindergarten through fifth graders today at the school. Just here outside the main entrance of the school. And the main message today focused on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart before anything else first, just like you see them as your own best friend, and like the shirt says here, as one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else. Some of the students, shared with me after the assembly that, at a previous school they had been bullied, and but now they've had like a best friend, somebody that's really stood up for them, and kind of had that profound impact on their life that changed their life forever, that it meant so much to them. And they told me this through tears, some of them, but now they know they can give that gift back of kindness by choosing to include somebody else and making them feel welcome just like they were welcome too, right? We always talk about how in just 2 seconds we have that power to uplift somebody high as the clouds, to basically make an imprint on their heart that's going to last a lifetime in a positive way, or in the same amount of time. In just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one breath, one heartbeat, we can take someone down a few levels so that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. I was just very blown away though by a lot of the students that came up to me and are going to be choosing peace, are going to be choosing kindness, that they want to do that no matter what's been going on in their life or in their hearts. They're going to make that choice to always include other people, no matter their background, how they're born, whatever life situation they come from. They're going to see them as human beings first and foremost. And like the M etched on all of our palms that stands for miracle, upside down for worthy, right? That we see everybody as true miracles, but also believe that we are good enough to help others also see that they're great enough, be that light to their hearts. So thanks again for touching my heart. It was great to see all you guys. Hope to be back again to share again one day in the future. But until then, much love and keep spreading the peace. Peace.